to do a quick follow-up video. The last time I did a video on the Senville, it was a 6-month video. Well, now we're coming up on 2 years with the Senville. Knock on wood, I haven't had any issues. It's been a strong machine. We're just finishing up the summer, going into fall. Tonight's going to be the first night that I'm going to kick the heat on. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to clean the filter out, and I'm going to do a quick video after this to show you how dirty it can get in 3 months' time. We use it in the flower shop out here. If you watch my first video, you'll notice this is my wife's flower shop. Since then, I have taken the garage door out and I've put a window in and insulated it and the wall and stuff, and it makes it much easier on the mini split. But truthfully, in the summertime, we might not turn it on right away first thing in the morning. It stays fairly cool because I have a bay on this side of the wall and a bay on that side, and it keeps this middle part pretty cool. But if I ever need to turn the air on, for instance, if my wife has an appointment with a family, I just turn this thing on, and like 15-20 minutes later, it's cold. It doesn't take long. But truthfully, the nights I've ran it all night long, I never had any issues. Sometimes when the cooler is full and she has a big order that's got to go out the next morning, sometimes in the summer we just leave the air on all night in here and it's perfectly fine. Haven't had any issues, no issues with the heat. I wanted to do a quick video today on basically cleaning the filter or checking your filter in your Senville. I do know that it doesn't take much for the filters to get dirty, so they're real easy to clean or check and clean. They're on the top of the unit here. You can see there's a little tab on each side. Lift it up. And as you can see, it's good and dirty, good and dusty. So basically, I'm going to give it a good rinse, both sides, a good cleaning, let it dry real good, and then I'm going to stick it back in here, and I'm going to fire up the unit. So basically, that's what you do for your Senville air filter. At least this unit, I think they're all pretty much the same. You just pop out, just take it to your hose, wash it off. If you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. Going on my 2nd year with the Senville here, so we're excited that it's worked out good for us in the flower shop out here, and we haven't had any issues. So if you guys got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Again, on this, I'm just going to take it and I'm going to rinse off both sides, tap it out, let it dry real good, stick it back in, and I'm good to go. You guys have a good day. Thanks.